Hey, what's up, family? It's your boy Big Ron, back with another video. And I got on another one of my what is that hats. So you know what that means. It's time to do some work. So let's get to it. We'll be going under here. My kitchen sink. On this side, I used to have a garbage disposal, but I got tired of it, so I took it out and repiped it. But now I'm having an issue with this particular one. As you can see, I got a little bucket right there. This came off the other day, and so I went back, put it back up, tightened it back up, put some stuff on it, but it's still leaking. So and now I'm gonna be replacing it with this Snappy Trap all-in-one drain kit I picked up at Lowe's. So we'll be reviewing this thing. You know, it's supposed to be a full kit, everything in the bag. You know, it don't look traditional, but shoot, ain't too much traditional nowadays. But it's, I know y'all probably see that garbage disposal right there, but if you read right here, it says with or without waste disposal. With or without. So, let's get to it. Once again, I'm not a professional in nothing. Not in cutting hair, working on cars, doing plumbing, none of that. The good Lord just blessed me with a little bit of common sense. That with a few things I've picked up over the years from a few old heads. And you know, I'm just trying to share it with whoever, you know, whoever might need it. But anyway, you know my motto: stay blessed, stay positive, have fun. Let's get to it. Peace. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is open this bad boy, because before I get to taking any of this stuff down, I want to make sure that I at least hope it appears right. I mean, it does. Looking at this picture, it does appear to have everything you need. And you know, looking at my setup, you know, it got I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. Alright guys, I done laid down some old towels. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's irrelevant. But because I'm sure some water still in these pipes. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take it off, but I'm gonna attempt to take it off as a whole. And what I mean is I'm gonna try to take off. See if y'all can see me. I got it on this tripod. So I'm gonna try to take off this piece. Hold on, where my light at? I'm gonna try to take off this and this, and then the big boy back there. That's my goal. So therefore, I can keep it all in one piece. You know, I'm the type person, I try to prepare for the worst. Some people don't like it, but it works for me. Yeah, that was a shot. But anyway, let's do this.
Disclaimer, I'm 6'4", 300 and some odd pounds. This is not comfortable, so bear with me. Alright, let's get back to it. Hey, Monica. Hey, somebody. Can you please come dump this water before I throw it up? Would y'all believe I cleaned this out? Not long ago. That water right in that bucket. I cleaned this out. Well, you probably can't see it that good. But it's nasty. I didn't too long replace all this stuff. It wasn't too long ago anyway.
It says to remove this old one and put it on here. Alright guys, next up you want to find one of these little buddies. They came in the pack, and the little rubber gasket. Put it on top of it, and you want to place this at the bottom of, well, let me show you on this side of this bad boy, but I'm gonna start over here. So let's see. I got my nut off the old one. Right here, guys. That's all I did was attach it right here. Alright, next thing you're gonna do is find this joker. It's called, I think it's called, let me, if I can go back to my paper, I think it's called a slip nut. Yeah, slide slip nut. And your little orange washer, gasket, whatever you want to call it. And what you want to do is put this on the pipe first, then put this under it for the next step, and I'll show you how it turns out. Right here. See? For the next step. And yeah, so let's get to that. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and just go ahead and do the exact same thing on this side, but you'll be able to follow with me. So I got my ring off of my old one that's gonna go here. I hope you can see, but anyway, all right, let's go ahead and get to this part. Let's get this done.
Yeah. What's wrong?
Now we got this little part here that we're going to be attaching this end that does not have a washer, you know, to this part. Well, I'm going to put it over here, But anyway, I'm gonna show you here, so I don't have to keep moving the camera. But the reason why you don't need the washer is, remember, or the gasket or whatever, you already put it on there right here. Let me show you, just in case. Right there. The orange gasket you put on. But alright. Alright. We got that up there. And I'm recording. Make sure you snug that thing up far as it'll go. And you'll see what I'm talking about whenever you actually pull it out. Cause this is about the whole pipe. And so you wanna push that joker up far as you can get it to not risk any water from coming out. So this part is about to be tricky for me. The instructions aren't very clear on it, what to do with this piece. So I'm gonna wait, and what I'm gonna do is go ahead and install this first to see if I need this. And the way you install this, you know, I already put this this piece in. So this goes down into it like such. Put that on there, bend this bad boy up, and you know, I'll find out in a second if I need it, if I need that piece or not. So let's do that. I want to make sure I push this in far as it'll go. Okay. Got that in there pretty snug. Alright. And this already has. It's on here. Alright. Push that down far as it'll go. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I know I'm probably not the best with the camera, but there you go. You see I push this piece all the way in there. Alright, your pipes stink, by the way. If you got a weak stomach, you might want to hire somebody. Like, for real, they smells horrible down there. Cause ain't but so much you could do yourself. You know, you can keep your pipes clean, but I mean, I ain't going all the way in there. And my battery's starting to go dead, so I'm gonna switch to my phone. Alright guys, I'm back. I had to pull out my phone because my camera went dead. But anyway, like I was saying, if I was saying it, I don't even know. But I'm not too sure about this piece. So, but what I'm gonna do is, because the way this thing bends, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and try to hook this to this coming out from the side. So, because this is a lot of pipe, you know, that's just in the way. So, let's do that.
Push it all the way up, like I told you on the other one. Or at least as far as you can get it. Tighten that bad boy down. There we go.
Alright, so now I'm gonna try to bend this. I'm gonna try to bend this part into this. See how this works out.
Because, let me show you why. It even shows you in the instructions how not to do it. You see how it's going down? How to do it. How it's kind of like, it cuts into an angle to get into there. So, hope you can see that. I can't see what I'm showing you. I'm just hopefully get it right. So, anyway. Yeah, let's try to get this piece into there on the side.
like I said, man, we learning together on this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this side in. See if y'all can see it. We're gonna go ahead and put this into here. But my big self sitting over here. So I'm just have to show y'all the end results of it.
Let's do it. Always remember to push your pipe all the way in. I don't know. Common sense just tells me that it'll help prevent water from running. That's just what my common sense tells me. I don't know. And they tell you to too, so.
Make sure you tighten everything down, because one thing about water, it'll find its way out. Okay. Now I'm wondering if I should have left that piece off, because this is gonna be perfect. How it runs down at that angle. This is gonna be perfect. But I'm wondering about this part now. Once that water pressure get to it. So, like I said, we learning together. So what I'm gonna do is take that little piece off, take that off, and I'm gonna try to run this just straight into that. All right, let's see.
Righty tighty, lefty loose. Turn to the right, tighten it up. Turn to the left, loosen it down. Alright, I've taken this part off. And once again, I hope y'all seeing everything I'm trying to show you. I'm gonna run this straight up.
See here. And I already see that is not gonna work. That is not gonna work because of how much pipe I already got. You see this? So the way I had it, it's the way it gotta go. But that's fine, that's fine. Nobody's perfect, so we're gonna make mistakes. Like I said, again and again, we're learning this together.
Let's put this bad boy back on here. I'm trying to think though, if I should do it this way. I like having my pipe straight up and down. Or if I should bring it back this way. Yeah, let's do that.
All right, that's it. I'm gonna tighten everything down and turn the water on. See what we got. All right, people, everything's tightened down. Now, here goes the test.
Molly, come here. I need you, baby. I need you to turn on the water. Turn it up all the way. Now let's check for any leaks. Okay, I got it on this side right now. So far, so good. So far, so good. I don't know how to light with y'all, but I'm personally checking. Trying to make sure ain't no water leaking nowhere. That was my issue before. Okay. So far, so good. I don't see a drop of anything.
I don't see a drop of anything. Now I'm switching it over to this side. Let's see. Uh-oh. Did I just see something? Yes, I do. I see something right here. It's leaking.
No.
So let me take this. Oh, I know what happened. I know exactly what happened. What? Turn it off, baby.
Alright. It's leaking.
Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what happened. As you can see, It's leaking from this right here. What happened is I was worried when I went to tighten up this bolt. I turned the whole thing, and the only thing that's up here is putty. So I was hoping I didn't you know, strip it where it's not, you know, stuck straight to the sink. So let me find my putty, re-putty it, and try this again. I don't think it's this. It doesn't appear to be leaking from here. It appears to be leaking from up here and dripping down. But we still can't have that either, so we'll be back. Hey, what up, family? Yeah, what it was, whenever I tightened up that nut, I turned my whole sink, I guess, sink drain. And when you put that on, you have to put putty. You have to put putty and a gasket. And so, you know, of course, when the putty's been there for a while since I installed it, since I installed it, and so when I turned it, I broke it all up and it twisted that gasket out. So instead of trying to rig it back up, I'm just going to Walmart to try to find me another some more putty and a gasket, or whatever you want to call it, the black rubber piece that stops the water from running or whatever. But yeah, whenever I get back, we'll install it together. All right, peace. All right, y'all, we back from Walmart. I done put my new one in, and just something quick real quick. Just something quick. When you buy a new one, a new sink strainer, it comes with instructions on the back, which are pretty self-explanatory. But if you like me and don't really like the, come on camera, it's my phone still. You don't really like the read, I should show you a real quick example of how to do this, how to put one in. All right, y'all, this is the old one. I didn't have to buy a new one, but I went to Walmart because I really just wanted another rubber gasket, but they didn't have any. And the whole thing, this whole thing was like $10, so I just went ahead and got it versus wasting gas going to Lowe's. But anyway, all you do is clean out the hole that's gonna be in your sink. You take some plumber putty. I picked this up at Walmart for like $2 and some change. And so you put the putty around the circle. I didn't record none of this. I apologize if you care to see it. But you put the putty down. You take this thing, put it on top of it. Then under the bottom, you're gonna take your gasket, you know, while it's in the hole, like such, like you see it. That's the gasket right there. You're gonna take the gasket, put the gasket on. Then you're gonna take this, put it on. Put it on like such. And anyway, that'll be the end of it. But yeah, so that's all I did. So now let's get back to the task at hand, which is putting this bad boy back on here. So all you want to do is, first of all, connect. You know, you seen all this in the beginning. So let me just go ahead and do it. This time I'm gonna trust that gasket that I put in there and I'm just gonna hand tighten it, because I don't want to break that stuff up again, because that's what happened the last time. All right, that's on there. So now you want to put this on first, and then let me show you what I'm talking about, just in case you missed the beginning and fast forward or something. But you want to put this on first on here, then you're gonna put your gasket on. And I'm sorry I didn't switch locations to actually show you, but you saw it in the beginning and you saw it done on this side. So it ain't no different. Put this bad boy back on here. Push it all the way up. One more thing I'm gonna do, just to make sure, is I'm about to take this off and make sure I got it on there correctly. Make sure the gasket in place, just to make sure, because it seemed like water dripped from under here in the beginning, but I'm not sure if it rolled down and came through there. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna go ahead just to be sure and take that off and put it back on properly. But anyway, y'all see the connection? I'm gonna do that, and then we'll be back to test it with the water. Alrighty. Alright guys, it's hooked up, putty in place. So, where's my light? Let's test this again. Mally, come here, I need your help. Come on this side. Alright, hit the water. Make sure it's on this side. Is there anything in the sink? No. Alright, good. Hi. Thank you, son.
Alright. We're on this side. I don't see anything so far. And this is perfect, because even right here, it's at a slight angle. So it's gonna, gravity. I don't, I'm not no pro enough, I'm just saying common sense. Gravity is gonna have to flow straight down. Everything's at an angle. Even right here, it's not like straight across, it goes down. So that's a good thing. That's a great thing, actually. Okay, I'm gonna let it run for about 20 more seconds. I wanna make sure it builds up real good in there, so I can know I'm good. I don't know, I haven't been counting, I don't know about 20 seconds or not, but
let's switch it to the other side. I'm nervous. Let's see. We're off.
So far so good. So far so good. I'm going to take that tag off. I don't see nothing dripping. Let's look under here. I don't see nothing like, how it started to build up before it drips out. I don't see none of that. Oh man, don't tell me we done got it. Shut that over there. Okay. I don't see nothing coming out of there either. Okay. We're checking everything. I'm checking it with me. Make sure. A lot of times on these kind of jobs, they don't show you the end result of everything that's stopped once it's done. But yeah, that hole over there, in case anybody saw it, ain't because I got rats or anything. I had a garbage disposal. Lord. I had a dishwasher I took out. That's why you see that nut on that thing there, because I had to take that off.
All right, y'all. That's the end of that. As you can see, it worked. So I do recommend it. A Snappy Trap. Snappy Trap. All-in-one drain kit for dual bowls, or if you got a garbage disposal, work for that too. And yeah, so that was about $28, $29. The putty that you wouldn't even need it, if your drain was still in, was like $222. The strainer itself was $10. And so you're looking at what, let's say 30, 10 and 2. You're looking at under $45 for this fix. And I don't know of any plumber that's gonna come out for any less than about 100 to even come out. So, quick DIY, do it yourself. I hope it helps somebody, and like always, stay blessed, stay positive, have fun, We out.